Assalamu alaikum. Today I am uploading my lecture on binomial distribution. Binomial distribution is a discrete probability distribution which can be defined as a distribution which has two probabilities. Two probabilities mean two possible outcomes. Binomial means two and nomial means probabilities. The binomial distribution is a type of distribution that has two possible outcomes. Binomial distribution includes all those cases which have two possible outcomes. For example, a coin toss has only two possible outcomes, heads or tail. If you are tossing a coin, you will have two possible outcomes, either you will get head or tail. In the same way, if you are giving a test, or you're going to take a test, then you have two possible outcomes, passing or failing. So all those real life problems which have two possible solutions or two possible outcomes will be considered in binomial distribution. But along with this, there is an important thing that these all two possible outcomes cases should be independent or with replacement. Binomial distribution originates in result of a binomial experiment. Distribution is basically a formula which is used to find particular probabilities. So each distribution originate in result of some experiment, some random experiment. So binomial originates from the result of binomial experiment. So let's have a look on binomial experiment. What is a binomial experiment? बायनॉमियल एक्सपेरिमेंट एक ऐसा एक्सपेरिमेंट है जिसकी ये 4 बेसिक प्रॉपर्टीज़ होंगी. An experiment is said to be a binomial experiment if it has following properties. यानी एक एक्सपेरिमेंट बायनॉमियल तब कहलाएगा जब उसके अंदर ये 4 पॉइंट्स होंगे. Outcomes can be classified into two mutually exclusive classes. As I had given you example of coin toss, that there are two possibilities, either you will get a head or a tail. In the same way, all those experiments which are binomial in their nature have two possible outcomes, two possible mutually exclusive classes. One will be success and other will be failure. It's not necessary that every binomial experiment can result in only two ways, but the results can be categorized into two ways. For example, like if you throw a dice, you will have 6 points possible, but you will consider 6 as your success and all other as your failure. So your outcomes are classified into two groups. If a 6 appear, then you can take it as success and all other points are taken as failure. So either outcomes are in reality there are two outcomes, or if you can divide your outcomes in your two mutually exclusive groups, one regarded as success and other is failure. So अगर दो outcomes हो या outcomes को ऐसे divide कर सकें कि दो parts बन जाएं, एक success और एक failure, वो binomial experiment होगा. Successive trial are independent. Successive trials are independent means one trial doesn't affect the other. For example, if you are tossing a coin, first toss do not affect the second toss and so on. Then probability of success remains the same as the trials are independent. This is very important condition for binomial distribution, that not only two outcomes but also these outcomes should be independent. Probability of success remain the same for all trials, for each trial. As they are independent, so probability of success will not fluctuate, it will remain same. For example, if you are tossing a coin, the probability of getting head on first coin is 1/2, that is 0.5. On second coin is again 0.2, and up to so on. If you toss it even 1000 times, each time the probability of getting a head will remain the same, that is 0.5. So probability of success remains the same, and trial can be repeated a fixed number of time. You can repeat the trial by a fixed number of time. Bernoulli trial. A single execution of a binomial experiment or a single trial of a binomial experiment is called Bernoulli trial. Binomial experiment, an experiment may have many trials. For example, you have tossed 10 a coin 10 times, so your experiment has 10 trials. Each trial, each single outcome, or each single throwing of a dice or throwing of a coin in a single throw will be a बर्नौली ट्रायल. हर जो इंडिपेंडेंट थ्रो है, इंडिपेंडेंट ट्रायल है एक्सपेरिमेंट का, डेट विल बी कॉल्ड बर्नौली ट्रायल. नाउ अगेन सम रियल लाइफ एग्जाम्पल. if you are introducing new drug, it has two possible cases, that either it will cure your patient or it doesn't cure the patient. So this case will lie in binomial, and also all patients will respond independently. If you have purchased a lottery ticket, then all there are two chances you will win or lose. Then this is again the example of binomial distribution or binomial experiment. Now let x denotes the binomial distribution. There is cutting over here in some slides. Let x denotes the binomial distribution. जो binomial variable होता है उसे हम represent करते हैं x से, as it is a tradition to represent variables in x, y, z terms. So if x is a binomial distribution and its probability mass function, or in simple terms the formula for binomial distribution will be bx and p. X is the variable, n and p are the parameters or the required values it should know before executing the binomial formula. So अगर x एक ऐसा वेरिएबल है जो रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है बाइनॉमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन को, तो उसका फॉर्मूला या PMF होगा NCX p पावर x इंटू 1 माइनस p रेज टू पावर n माइनस x. NCX p power x 1 minus p n minus x, where NCX stands for the combination rule. N is the number of trials. X is the number of successes in your trials. For example, if you are giving 10 papers, then n will be 10 and x will be the number of papers in which you have passed. For example, you have passed 7 papers out of 10, then x will be 7. P will be the probability of success. P जो है probability of success को denote करता है. For example, if you are giving papers, 10 papers, out of which you succeeded in 7 papers, so P will be the chance of passing that paper. Suppose your chances of passing a paper is equal to 0.5, then P will be equal to 0.5, that is probability of success. And 1 minus p is denoted by q, and q means the probability of failure. जो आपके सक्सेस के चांसेस है, टोटल चांसेस में आप उन्हें माइनस कर देंगे, यू विल गेट योर चांसेस ऑफ फेलियर. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ़ यू हैव 50% chances of passing, then there will be 1 minus 50, that is equal to 1 minus 0.5, that is equal to 0.5, or 50% chances of failure. If 70% chances of rain, then 30% chances of a fair day. So these are mutually exclusive. P and 1 minus p. 1 minus p is usually denoted in some book with q sign. Q is equal to 1 minus p. So n are the trials, x are the number of successes, p is the probability of success, q is that is equal to 1 minus p is the probability of failure. Now there is an example how can you find the probability. Simply आपने क्या करना है, आपके पास n p x की वैल्यू होंगी, and you will put all these values in your formula and you will get your probability. This is very easy and simple concept, so please try to learn it and try to reproduce in your papers. You just need values of n, x and p. अगर ये 3-4 चीज़ें आपके पास होंगी, आप बहुत ईजिली इसको एक्सिक्यूट कर सकते हैं. Now a coin is tossed 10 times. Coin has two possible outcomes, head, tail. Okay, coin is independent in its trial. If you throw a coin 10 times, then each throw will be independent. Probability of head or probability of success is 1/2, and that is 0.5, and you have to find the probability of getting 6 heads. यहाँ पे आपके पास x जो हो जाएगा, that is 6. So if we look at the problem, that this problem relates to binomial because there are two possible outcomes, the results are independent, probability is fixed, probability of getting head is fixed, that is 0.5, and you have to get exactly 6 heads. So we have n over here equal to 10 जो number of trials होते हैं, x is equal to 6, p यहाँ लिखे नहीं है. In case of coin and dice you have to find p yourself, and you should learn that for a single coin p, that is probability of head, is equal to 0.5. p 0.5 है, q will be found by subtracting q is equal to 1 minus p, that is equal to 0.5. अब आपने वैल्यूज़ इसमें सब्सटीट्यूट की in the formula ncx p power x 1 minus p raised to power n minus x. n की जगह 10 सब्सटीट्यूट किया, c6 10 0.5 raised to power 6 and 0.5 raised to power n minus x, that is equal to 10 minus 6, that is 4. And on solution we will get the probability 0.205078. So probability of getting 6 heads in 10 tosses is equal to 0.2051. Now if you have to find the formula or find the probabilities of binomial distribution by using calculator, then you need this command which I have written over here. Suppose if you have n is equal to 6, p is equal to 0.5, q is equal to 1 minus p, that is equal to 0.5 again, and x is equal to 4. ये सब कुछ अगर आपको given है, what you have to do, you just substitute in the formula by using a single calculator command. आपको एक ही command में ये सारा इकट्ठा रन करना है, अलग अलग नहीं, पार्ट्स नहीं रन करना कि c की अलग वैल्यू ले ले, p की अलग ले ले, p की पावर x की और n माइनस x की, क्योंकि उसमें आपको कन्फ्यूजन होगी. You will be stuck somewhere in scientific notation. So in this case what you have to do, you have to put the formula on your calculator in a single go. पहले तो आपको C का बटन लोकेट करना है. C is usually present in all scientific calculator. Either it is available as a direct button in your calculator or as an inverse function of something. जैसे क्लास में मैंने आपके स्टूडेंट्स के कैलकुलेटर्स देखे हैं. इन पाकिस्तानी सेटअप मेजॉरिटी कैलकुलेटर्स हैव NCR sign as an inverse function of division sign. So अगर आप divide के function को with shift press करेंगे, you will get your NCR sign. This may vary with the calculators. If you have any other type of calculator, you may get C sign over somewhere else, but kindly find out where is your C, and then what you have to do, just put first value of n, that is 6C4. 4 is the number of successes, then multiply sign and 0.5 into power sign. 0.5 प्रेस करने के बाद अपने पावर साइन अप्लाई करना है. पावर साइन यूजुअली हैट की फॉर्म में होता है, या सम यू नो बेटर अबाउट योर कैलकुलेटर्स. About 0.5 raised to power 4, then multiply sign again and 0.5 raised to power 2. 2 is found by subtracting n minus x, 6 minus 4. तो आपने एक ही सिंगल रन में, एक सिंगल गो में ये सारा फॉर्मूला एक साथ एग्जीक्यूट कर देना है. Just put the values and execute all the formula in a single go, in a single run. 6C4 multiplied by 0.5 raised to power 4 multiplied by 0.5 raised to power 2, and you will get your answers. अच्छा जी, एक और एग्जाम्पल है. there is one more example, that is 60% of people purchase sports car are men. Sports car purchasing is an experiment. There are only two possibilities, either women or men. And again, those who purchase sports car are independent in their decision. So all these go to the binomial distribution case. You have 60% of people who are men. 60% is a success rate or probability of getting a man. जो आपके क्वेश्चन का मेन की इंटरेस्ट है, that is success. So here 60% is the success rate. If 10 sport car owner are selected randomly, and 10 means trials, 10 selection trial भी हो सकता है और number of units selected भी हो सकता है, that is sample size भी हो सकता है. So you have n over here equal to 10. If 10 sports car owners are selected randomly, find the probability that exactly 7 are men. हमारे पास जो हमारे इंटरेस्ट की वेरिएबल है that is x and this is 7. So if I go look into the example, I have three things over here. 60% that is equal to p. P means the probability of success. There is a slight difference. In previous example you had p in points. Here you have p in percentages. Convert percentage into points by dividing by 100. So your p will be equal to 0.6. 10 sport cars ऑनर्स आर सेलेक्टेड, 10 ऑनर्स सेलेक्ट किए गए हैं. सो जितने भी ट्रायल्स होते हैं या सिलेक्शन होती है दैट इज इक्वल टू एन एंड यू हैव एन इज इक्वल टू 10. आई हैव फाउंड पी बाय डिवाइडिंग बाय 100 एंड क्यू इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस पी दैट इज 1 माइनस 0.6 इक्वल टू 0.4. नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग विच वी नीड इज एक्स. एक्स आपके पास जो रिक्वायर्ड नंबर होता है जिसकी आपने प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालनी होती है. एक्स इज द नंबर ऑफ सक्सेस. So if we look into the example, we have to find the probability of exactly 7 men. So x is equal to 7. Then applying the formula, putting the values, I get answer is equal to 0.215. ठीक है, 60% people are men. P is equal to 6.6. 10 sports car are randomly selected. So n is equal to number of trial or sample that is equal to 10. एंड 7 आर मैन मीन एक्स इज इक्वल टू 7. सिंपल सी बात है. फाइंड करें पी क्यू 1 माइनस पी हो जाता है. अब पी लिख लें क्यू लिख लें 1 माइनस पी इट्स देयर सेम. देन एन इज इक्वल टू 10 और एक्स इज इक्वल टू 7. एंड उसके बाद आपने सिंपली यू हैव टू पुट द योर आंसर योर वैल्यूज इन द फॉर्मूला एंड यू विल गेट द आंसर बाय सिंगल एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ कैलकुलेटर फंक्शन. तो हमारे पास जो इसकी रिक्वायर्ड आंसर आया है दैट इज 0.215. नाउ इन सम केसेस योर एक्स इज नॉट गिवन, जस्ट इट इज मेंशन्ड ओवर देयर. फाइंड द कंप्लीट बाइनोमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन और फाइंड द all possible values of the distribution or find various number of something, various number of heads, various number of this and that. यानी आपको x is not mentioned in the question. In this case you have to take each and every possible value of x. Binomial distribution ranges from 0 to n. सक्सेसेस का नंबर या तो 0 हो सकता है द मिनिमम और मैक्सिमम कितना हो सकता है जितना आपके ट्रायल्स. सपोज यू आर टेकिंग 10 पेपर्स, then the minimum number of success that you will fail you failed all the exams, so minimum number is 0 and the maximum number that you have passed all the papers. So x की range from 0 to n है. from अगर in this example the x range is from 0 to 10. 0 हो सकता है 1 2 3 4 up to so on 10. So x ranges from 0 to n. You have to take all possible values of x in the case of complete binomial distribution or whenever you don't have x mentioned. When you have to find the complete distribution or you have to find various numbers of some successes. जैसे there is an example, a coin is tossed 5 times. Find the probability of various number of heads. Coin की example है. And you have it is written over here, find the probability of various number of heads. Various number mean it is not mentioned that x is equal to 2 4 whatever. Just find each and every possible value for x. So in this case we have n is equal to 5, p is equal to 0.5. How? As I had told you before that p is the number of p is the probability of success. So if p is the probability of success, so in coin case p आपको लिखी हुई नहीं मिलेगी, but you should know that p is equal to the number is the probability of head, so it is equal to 0.5. p is 0.5